Imagine holding the cutting edge of technology right in your palm. Welcome to the future. Welcome to the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This marvel of engineering is more than just a phone. It's your personal assistant, your camera, and your entertainment hub all rolled into one sleek package. With an all-new design, extraordinary performance, an outstanding camera, and a battery life that keeps you connected all day, the iPhone 14 Pro Max truly stands in a league of its own. So, let's dive into the details, shall we? The iPhone 14 Pro Max wows right from the start with its fresh and innovative design. It has a ceramic shield front cover touted as the toughest front cover on any smartphone, and a textured matte glass back that gives it a premium feel. The surgical-grade stainless steel frame adds to the robustness while maintaining the elegance. The iPhone 14 Pro Max comes in a variety of sophisticated colors, ensuring there's a perfect match for every personality. Now, onto the powerhouse that is the A16 Bionic chip. This is the fastest chip ever in an iPhone, providing speeds that will make every task feel like a breeze. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, the A16 Bionic chip delivers smooth, lag-free performance that will leave you in awe. But what's a phone without a great camera? The iPhone 14 Pro Max boasts a pro camera system that takes photography to a new level. With a 12MP primary sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 12MP telephoto sensor, every shot you take will be a masterpiece. The night mode, deep fusion, and smart HDR4 make sure your photos are perfect in any light. And for the filmmakers out there, the Dolby Vision HDR recording will make your videos look like they've been shot on a professional camera. No matter how great a phone is, it's useless if the battery doesn't last. But that's not a problem you'll face with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. With the best battery life ever in an iPhone, it lets you do more and charge less. The 20W adapter ensures fast charging, and the MagSafe technology offers easy, efficient wireless charging. To sum it all up, the iPhone 14 Pro Max is a testament to Apple's commitment to innovation and excellence. Its stunning design, powerful performance, top-notch camera, and long-lasting battery make it a worthy contender in the smartphone market. However, it's worth noting that all these features come with a premium price tag. But for those who value quality and are willing to invest in their tech, the iPhone 14 Pro Max is a choice that won't disappoint. So there you have it, a glimpse into the future, a peek into the marvel that is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. It's not just a phone, it's a statement. It's not just technology, it's a lifestyle. It's not just another iPhone, it's the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Remember, in the world of technology, the only constant is change. So, stay tuned, stay updated, and always be ready to embrace the future.